Hi, our product is Harmony 1.0, which helps nurses and seniors to improve the experiences for both parties. Purpose and challenges in the status quo. So, because of the pandemic, nursing homes have been faced with staff shortages, and nurses are generally overworked. As seniors age, they face challenges such as limited motor skills, memory loss, and declining cognitive ability. Faced with these challenges, nursing staff need the support to relieve burdens without sacrificing the quality of care of seniors. We can provide that and decrease their burdens through our product. Similarly, we hope to rid seniors of the experience of receiving less optimal care or feeling as if they lose autonomy. Some seniors face difficulties with operating tablets to read the news or complete Google searches without help. Our product will provide a more nourishing and attentive environment for seniors while decreasing the workload of caretakers. So this is our speaker, and at the top you can see a green dot, which is the PPG or the blood pressure sensor. And then towards the bottom of the speaker, you can see the red lines, and those are the microphone array, and it features things like acoustic activity sensing, reminders for pill taking, as well as motion detection of the seniors.
So we mainly plan to sell our products to nursing homes. And ideally, our vision is for there to be a speaker in every single room. And our product would function as part of a larger system within the nursing home to basically increase efficiency across the board. So our speaker has contactless blood pressure monitoring, acoustic sensing for movement detection, pill reminders, and information about pills and food combinations. In terms of the activity sensing, acoustic sensing will collect information about how much the seniors are moving and how often they either enter or leave the room. And this will basically help nurses understand how often seniors are exercising to make sure they're staying healthy. And as a preventative measure, the speaker will also alert the nurse if there's no movement detected within 24 hours, just so the nurse can go and check in and make sure that everything's okay. Another feature on our smart speaker involves gesture recognition through acoustic sensing, which will basically make sure that the senior actually took the pill. So basically, the sensor detects movements and then checks to see if the gesture detected matches the expected gesture for taking a pill. And if there's any doubt at all, the speaker will alert the nurse. This way, we're not overly reliant on this technology, and at the end of the day, we still have nurses checking in with the seniors on a daily basis. The PPG sensor is capable of collecting blood pressure contactlessly and reliably without requiring nurses to manually perform any measurements. So this decreases the burden on nurses because instead of taking the blood pressure of every single senior in the nursing home every day, like the way they're doing it right now, the seniors can basically do it for themselves. And in this case, the nurse would only really need to check in on the seniors who either A, forgot to take their blood pressure, or B, have blood pressure levels that are outside of the normal range. And for both of these circumstances, the speaker will send an alert to the centralized nurse system for any seniors who need to be checked on. In terms of accuracy, we found that the accuracy on PPG sensors was the same as the accuracy for traditional blood pressure bands. And the result of this is that nurses can now spend more time talking and connecting with the seniors to provide much needed emotional support. The senior can also ask the speaker for information about a certain pill. So the speaker will then retrieve information from the cloud database and tell the senior when they should take the pill, any food combinations to avoid, whether they should take the pill with a meal, etc. We also have pill reminding capabilities, and the unique thing about this is that the speaker will ask the senior to reply yes or no or okay to confirm that they actually heard the reminder. And if the senior doesn't reply, the reminder will actually go off again after 10 minutes. After 3 tries, if there's still no reply, the speaker will then alert the nurse to check up on the senior and make sure that they can take the medication on time. Another challenge we hope to solve is that right now, voice recognition softwares don't always understand what the seniors are saying. So we also have a proposed idea to improve on voice recognition systems used by Google and Amazon by building a population-specific dataset. So our speaker will still have the same basic capabilities as Google Home and Alexa, like listening to the news, asking questions, checking the weather, etc. But the difference is that we may actually be able to compile a data set of seniors conversing with this product to improve on the algorithm so they can be better understood.
So this brings us to the competitor slide. As shown here on the screen, there are many types of products that may compete with ours. We will go into more detail in our business plan, but for now, we will just go through 3 major categories of examples. First of all, we have blood pressure monitors, which are not designed for seniors to use by themselves. And this places a greater burden on caregivers. For blood pressure watches, seniors are overwhelmed to remember where to wear the device, charge the device, and read off a small screen. On the other hand, pill reminders on the market have flaws that are addressed by our speaker. For instance, the smartphone apps on the market rely on users knowing how to operate a device, which is demanding for many seniors and doesn't fit within their daily habits. Using the touchscreen quickly also requires fine skills. The words are displayed too small, some might forget to charge the device, and many don't read the notifications. Most importantly, certain apps currently on the market include vague notices, such as take the medicine with food. Other speakers on the market simply don't provide convenient feature for senior users, since their customer are younger people. They nor provide helpful tools to use it between nurses and seniors. By connecting with a database, our speaker provides detailed information about what types of food to take the pill with and optimum timing. Our smart speaker ensures that the senior actually took the pill with gesture sensing and doesn't require inconvenient screens or apps.
So in conclusion, the goal of our product is to enhance interactions between nurses and seniors while simplifying daily tasks at the same time. Our product has 3 key features, including integration into nursing homes, providing an all-in-one solution, and enabling senior self-sufficiency. Our speakers enable all-in-one non-obtrusive features for wellness monitoring. This includes audible pill reminders, providing accurate information on pill combinations and pill taking suggestions, monitoring physical activities, and measuring blood pressure. While these are not new technologies, they're currently used in multiple different devices and machines, making their daily usages confusing and challenging for seniors. Our product takes a senior-centered approach with contactless sensing, voice-based interactions, and monitoring capabilities for a small, easy-to-use speaker. Thank you.